Hello traders, so this is the third part of how to use the multiple time frame trading method. Here I have the Cisco with the epic CSCO 5 days weekly chart. And on this chart, I'm going to draw in front of you the important key levels on the Cisco chart, you know. So right here, we notice that there is a major, the price came all the way here. The best place is to see where the trend has changed. There was a downtrend here, you know, and then there was an uptrend. So this is the key level, okay? That's how we find the key level. So uptrend, change direction to or downtrend change direction to uptrend. Then I'm going to color it nicely here in front of you so you can also see how you can prepare your day. So if you're going to day trade, you don't just come in the morning with no preparation, you know. If you are not prepared, you're going to lose because the day traders, the professional day traders are very smart people. You are competing with the smartest brain, you know. So don't just wake up and then jump out and say, okay, let's sell this, because that. No, do your preparation first. I can't overstress that. It's very important, you know. And a lot of people can trade every day, but it's just because they are failing because what am I doing here? Let me check again. I don't know what I'm doing now. Honestly, I don't know. So a lot of traders they can trade very well, you know. They know in their heart that they can trade, you know, but they keep losing, you know. They keep losing. They know in their heart, yeah. Every day they repeat. People ask them to quit, but they don't want to quit. Why they don't want to quit? Because they know that they can trade, you know. But they know also that they are making a mistake, and they know that they are not following the rule to be disciplined, to avoid trading in some stupid time like night time or all these things, and to trade at the busiest time only, and to stop trading when the professional also stop trading, you know. They know. So that's why they keep trying. But instead of coming back and look back and being a bit disciplined and try to follow the rule and say, this is what I'm going to do, this is my plan, they don't want to do it. That's why they keep losing and losing and losing. But all the professionals are doing, their number one ability is to be patient. Sometimes to do nothing is to do something. That's what they are doing. They just sit down, you know. If there's important news, they just sit down. They just sit down, yeah, in front of the computer, maybe drinking tea, talking or making some joke nicely, and then the news come and the news finish, and then they get back to their computer, start trading. But what do we see as a retailer trader? We are busy trading when we are still waiting for the news, and suddenly we lose money, you see. So here again we have another kind of a triple bottom here on the Cisco chart here. So this is also a very important level here. So I'm going to draw again another a major support level here, and I'll try to see if I can also color it nicely here. Now I don't know why it's not allowing me to do that fast here, so I'm leaving that for now. I'll get back to that later. So we are drawing here the major support level for our multiple time frame trading. This is another one here, so I just draw it here. Let's see what it's going to allow me here. I can do it now. So I just give him another color here. I give you that one blue nicely. That's what you do. So this is your preparation, you know. You wake up and then you do it overnight, all this thing, and then you just this is another major support level here. I just draw it like this now. Yeah, let's see whether it's going to allow me to do the color. Yes, good. It's good, it's good. So you do this every day like this, like the professional doing, because that's what they're doing every night, you know. They don't just wake up in the morning, they know. They write them down. They even memorize it, you know. They will tell you and say, okay, this is a major support level. They will quote it for you. See, 2100 is this number for Cisco. They know it by heart, you know. And they are just laughing because if the price is approaching that level, they know exactly what to look for, what they're expecting, and they don't make any whatever prediction or whatever. They just expect it. They say, okay, you can either break it to the upside, or you will just come back down again, you know. So they are watching the market at that level carefully. This is another important level here. So you see how the price came, did another V again. It came all the way up. You know, we want to see the price do change direction. You know, it come nicely up like this and then change direction. That's another major point, so we mark it down. This is just the price itself, not the mathematical pivot. This is just the price itself giving us its own pivot level, the turning point, So I'm down now, so I can also put this one down. This a kind of you will see that some of the level will be more important than others. Like on this chart here, the one I'm drawing now is not a very important level, but we mark it down, and because we're going to switch back to our 5-minute chart, when we are going to day trade, you go to your favorite time frame, where some people trade all the time on 50-minute chart to enter that trade. Some people go all the time to 10-minute chart. Some people go to 5-minute chart. I like 5-minute chart. So when I do this like this, I just switch back to 5-minute. And you don't just every day. Sometimes there's no trade, because if you're using this method, sometimes you don't have a trade at all. So you don't trade at all. So what you do, you just wait when the price is approaching that level. That's when you come into the market. You start smiling. You know that, okay, Cisco is approaching this key level. So you know that a lot of traders are watching the market. They're going to be busy that day. Everybody will come to their screen that day. But if they look and they see that there's no momentum approaching that level, they may go nicely and play their golf or whatever they want to do, or bring their lovely wife, or if it's a woman, she will bring her lovely husband to a nice restaurant and do whatever they want to do. So it's not every day that you trade. So right now, where Cisco it's a major point. It's approaching a major point, as you can see here. It's a key level. If you watch the pink line, you see the pink line. That's where we are now, the pink line. But it's not very, very important level. But though we can see some reaction there, so you can go and switch back to your 5-minute chart. If I move back, you won't see clearly. You go back to your 5-minute chart, and then you are what that you are at a key resistance level, or a key turning point. What can happen here? Two things can happen. The price may break it through, it become a breakout and go up. It may turn around here, and then it become a resistance. If you break it, you must retest it to confirm the validity of this support. If a resistance is broken, it must be retested before it becomes support. But sometimes this doesn't work like this all the time. It may just break through it and continue through. Nothing is stopping the market to do whatever you like. Like you see, sometimes you have V pattern. The price does not retest the level. Maybe it tested before in the past. So it doesn't need to do it again. People know that it done it before 5 months ago, so they don't expect another retest again. So the price will just go away nicely. So I think with this, you have a bit of idea how you can use this method to do your multiple time frame, and then you will see that the trading will become very simple. With the trend line, very important. It's free. Use your trend line. Use your trend line, please. Use it. It's the most powerful indicator. It's powerful than anything. It's powerful than MACD. I tell you, the trend line is so important, but most of the traders don't use it. They don't use it. That's why a lot of people lose money, and they know why they are losing money. They know that they are not disciplined. If you are trading forex, you don't trade before London opens. That's just so important. You can have the most. I see sometimes you can see the most beautiful signal. Just ignore it. Know that there will be plenty more. Don't be the sacrifice. And then London open, you see the market will show the direction clearly, and then you make your money fast, And then when you get in London open, stay there for 2 hours and get out, And then you wait again for the New York to open, and you stay there again, maybe 3 hours only, and then you get out again, and you come back again the next day. Finished, 5 hours. And don't over trade. Maybe you do 4 trade a day, 5 trade, maximum 10 trade. If you trade a lot, the chances that you lose also a lot, and all your money will go away. So this is the end of this multiple time frame trading. I hope you enjoy it, and you improve your trading, because it won't be worth it for me sitting here doing this video. When people look at it, they can't improve their trading results. So I wish you all the best. Until next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.